As we are drawing nearer to Christmas and Thanksgiving, some of us might want to prepare our homes to the extent that cleaning can go. So if you choose to clean your home before Christmas, there are some errors you ought to stay away from, and this is because they can cause you a great deal of harm and even make your cleaning work more difficult. Here are some of the things you shouldn't do while cleaning your house for this holiday, proudly brought to you by CleanerOnCall.com. 1. Beginning from the base to the top. Cleaning from bottom to top is a no-no. You should begin your cleaning with the roof corners, the walls, windows and ledges, and then come down to the furniture, the upholstery, and afterwards the floor. Tidying after you have vacuumed simply pushes more dirt to the floor that you have just cleaned, and this should be avoided. 2. Utilizing heated water to clean stains. Studies have shown that nearly 80% of people believe that they should be cleaning with hot water instead of cold water. Of course, hot water helps you kill germs and bacteria, but that's not all. It all depends on which type of task you're working on. Some household cleaning tasks actually call for cold water instead of hot water in order to produce the desired result. Heated water could be your enemy with regards to stain expulsion, particularly those stains that are protein-based, just like blood. This is because instead of removing the stains, they set them in. 3. Neglecting to clean high-contact installations, areas, and things. How frequently do you clean your controllers, your light switches, entryway handles, telephones, and even remotes? These are the things that are mostly touched, and quite naturally, they get infected the most. You should clean them with disinfectant wipes to keep germs away. 4. Not dusting your windows. Not tackling the dust in your window sills before washing them will make any window cleaner that drips onto the frame become a muddy mess of dusty liquid. A vacuum or microfiber cloth will sort this out nicely before you proceed to washing. 5. Using a feather duster. A feather duster only spreads dust from one surface to another. You should try using a microfiber cloth instead, which will grab and hold onto particles. 6. Using the same cleaning cloth around the house. Reusing the same cleaning cloth throughout your house might seem more efficient, but it's also a great way of transferring germs from one place to another. You definitely don't want bacteria from your bathroom ending up on your kitchen counter, so you should designate various clothes to be used in different parts of the house and wash them often. If you are using disposable wipes, use one per cleaning. 7. Using messy wipes. These cleaning superheroes aren't really that supportive in the event that if you don't disinfect occasionally. To do this, absorb your wipe water, place it in a microwavable dish, and afterwards heat it on a high briefly. 8. Storing a wet loo brush. Now, this is a potential breeding ground for bacteria. So instead of just dropping your wet brush into the holder, set it across the toilet seat so it can drip and dry over the bowl. 9. Washing windows when it's sunny. The heat will cause your window cleaner to dry before you can finish cleaning, leaving streaks. So cloudy days are definitely better. 10. Overloading your dishwasher. Stacking dishes or putting too many utensils in your basket could impact your appliance's ability to reach items with soap and water, meaning they won't get clean. Even worse, if you pre-rinse your dishes, you might not notice that they have not been properly cleaned. 11. Tossing certain cooking wares in the dishwasher. Regardless of what style of dishwasher you own, a few utensils should in no way, shape, or form be set in a dishwasher. For instance, garlic can be quite tacky, and pieces of it could get stuck in the hole of your garlic press, and simply tossing it into the dishwasher can't get it properly cleaned. So, you ought to continuously hand wash your utensils to guarantee they are perfectly cleaned. 12. Not allowing cleaners to absorb. The wash and wipe strategy isn't the best method of getting things cleaned. Cleaning items often have a proposed douse time to permit them relaxing surfaces, and the recommended time is normally written on the product packs. This is usually between 60 seconds to 5 minutes, and this allows the product to have great effect and make a lot of difference. Permitting the cleaner to set additionally gives it additional opportunity to dispense with microorganisms. Cleaning your home for the holiday will certainly make your stay more enjoyable, giving your space a better look and allowing in fresh and clean air. If you like the video and want to keep getting more tips in house cleaning, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, and for all your cleaning services, make sure to go to CleanerOnCall.com.